So there's also that. And I think also people don't want to do the phases of growth. Again, it goes back to people want things fast, and everybody wants it fast. I want it fast, but like you also got to accept that things come when you keep being consistent over a long period of time versus like if you want $1 million business, chances are if you're a beginner, give it 3 years.
Yep.
3-4 years, you could probably do it.
Yep.
But like if you want it next year and you have no previous experience of anything, it's like, dude, like you just got out of college, you just got out of high school, like, you know, it's going to take a lot more time than that. And I think people nowadays, because they see us, especially us, because how old are you?
20, just turned. Yeah.
20?
21.
21, yeah, we're 21. Yeah, so like they see us, they're like, oh, like 21, why am I not making 7 figures, right? They keep saying that. It's like, well, it's because we started when we were like 13, 15. Yeah. Like that's literally why. It's not about the age. It's about, you got to look at not the age, you got to look at the years previously to get to that point. And that's what you got to compare it by. There's guys who's 25 that they started and now they're 33, now they're crushing it. So look at those guys, you know?